Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your mobile hotspot is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So, at first I do recommend to check the hotspot setup. Open settings and now open the connections. Open now the hotspot, which is here, mobile hotspot and tethering, and enable the mobile hotspot. Here tap turn off, and now tap it again to enter these settings. Now let me connect quickly with my other phone to this Wi-Fi network. And apart from the connection issues, we may have just hotspot limited. So go back here, and as you can see now I'm connected to my device here with my other phone. If you should see here connected device here, one device connected, and how much data it's now using when something is connected. Tap on the hotspot here, make sure here that you don't have anything limited. So disable the auto hotspot here, have your auto hotspot disabled. Wait a moment, I have left the mobile hotspot, and apart from that try to disabling the one-time password. I know that's more secure, but disable the one-time password. Don't have any not allowed devices here to make sure that you are able to connect. Apart from that, I do recommend to disable the data saver and power saver in your phone. It can limit your hotspot too. So go back and go back to the main menu of your settings and scroll down to the battery. Turn on the power saving here and go to background usage limits. Here, as you can see, we have only put unused applications to sleep, but tap these three dots and tap adaptive battery. Here you can disable this option. And that's how it should work now. Some battery savers actually turn off the hotspot when the screen is turned off, so it may do the same in your phone, so try to disable the battery saver. Apart from that, go back to the hotspot and try to changing the bands. Your phone does support the 5 GHz and 2.0 GHz connection mode, so tap it and tap band. Tap 5 GHz preferred and tap save. Now everything should be working fine. Try switching between different here or tap every single that is now available. And yeah, that's how it should work actually. Testing on a different band is very helpful. And apart from that, I do recommend to restart and reconnect your device. So what to do now? Turn off the hotspot and hold your finger on the power button and your volume down button. Here tap restart to reboot the device. And now restart the device that was trying to connect to your hotspot. So now I will restart my private phone here. After reboot, enable the hotspot again and reconnect on the other device by entering the password. This often clears any temporary network conflict. And now let's check. And when our phone turns on, check if the hotspot is working. Let's unlock our phone first. Okay. Now my second phone is rebooted exactly on the same time, and it should work now. If it doesn't, once connected, open a web page or ping from the other device to ensure it's getting internet. If it's not, it could be a carrier limitation, as I said. Some plans actually blocks tethering. If it all fails, contact the carrier or check the plan's hotspot allowance. Is because it might be necessary. And yeah, but if every single thing here is working, it's not working, but is exactly as it should be, you have to contact the device support. It's because your hardware, it may be the issue, or some software bug that we can't fix. So, contacting the official Samsung device support should be the fix. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!